Welcome guys to this video. In this video we are going to see a Ichimoku cloud-based indicator and a special indicator, and we will use both of this together to predict future market movements and some guaranteed winning trades. But before that, thank you guys for the support you guys showed in the last video, so please keep supporting this channel like this so that we can bring more videos. Comment if there's any issue with the indicator. I will try my best to resolve the issue. We know how Ichimoku is crucial for traders as it provides a comprehensive view of market trends, support, resistance levels, and potential entry and exit points. Its cloud-based chart simplifies analysis and aids in making informed trading decisions. For the indicator, just go to the Indicator tab and search Ichimoku All Signal by Salarkamju. Now we can see multiple lines appearing on the chart. Go to the indicator setting and in the Style tab disable everything except the Signal 3, Breakup, option and Signal 4, Breakdown, option, and press OK. For our second indicator, go to the Indicator tab and search Klinger Oscillator by Classic Scott as in the video. Our setting for the Klinger Oscillator will be the same as default. Now you can see how setup is looking, so let's see how the strategy works. You see, when there's crossover happening in the Ichimoku bands, it triggers a trading opportunity. Like the one happening in the video, when during the crossover the red line is above the green line, that means a sell signal. Now we can see some red signal appearing on the chart, so our first condition will be a bearish or bullish Ichimoku bands crossover happening, and second condition will be buy or sell signal appearing on the chart. Our stop loss will be the previous recent high, and risk to reward ratio will be 1 to 2. You can see how the trade performed. Now let's see more. And for confirmation, we can see how the Klinger Oscillator also shows us a bearish crossover, so that's a confirmation we need to look for. See, there is another green signal appearing on the chart, and Klinger Oscillator is also showing a bullish crossover. That means a high probability winning by trade. We can see there is bearish crossover in the Ichimoku bands. In this scenario we will look for sell signals. Let's see. For more better understanding, we used RSI here and can see that there is a bearish crossover happening in the RSI. That means that the probability of a winning trade is very low, and that's why we are not going to take the trade. Remember, if we want to be profitable trader, then we have to look into multiple things, and RSI crossovers and divergences are something we can't miss. Now in the chart we can see that the RSI giving us a bullish crossover, the Klinger Oscillator is giving us a bullish crossover, and there is a buy signal, so this the kind of trade that are the safest and the most profitable one. We can see now a moderate risk trade, because 2 out of 3 indicator is confirming a sell signal, the Ichimoku band's crossover and Klinger Oscillator's bearish crossover. Our risk to reward for this kind of moderate risk trade will be 1 to 1.5. As you can see that we hit out target profit. Again you can see that there is again a same kind of situation is happening. 2 out of 3 indicators are showing us buy opportunity. Since it's again a moderate risk trade, we are going to use 1 to 1.5 risk to reward. Here you can see that Ichimoku bands showing bearish crossover, and the same with Klinger Oscillator, so we know how to take trade here. As you can see here, when the Ichimoku bands showing us a crossover and the blue line is above the red line, that means bullish crossover, and we took a sell trade. A loss trade, right? That just shows how good this strategy could be if you guys can apply it correctly. We can also see a low probability buy trade here, but we are not going to take it and ignore it. Remember guys, we should not take any low probability trades. It's better to not take a trade than losing money. Here we can see a Ichimoku band's bearish crossover and also a bearish crossover for Klinger Oscillator, so we are going to take a sell trade. You guys can see that there is a bullish crossover happened in Ichimoku bands, so we are going to close the trade because now it's low probability high risk trade. If you guys liked the strategy and found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe the channel and hit the like button. Make sure to trade responsibly and always use stop losses to minimize your losses and maximize your profits. And make sure to comment if you face any problem. Thanks for watching.